Hello friends, good morning to all of you. Myself is Arun Kumar Singh. I have made a lots of the video which are really very informative from all around. One can take lots of information from all of my video. Today I came with a wonderful video also. It also gives you the real meaning of life, and a lots of information you can also collect from this video. Today I want to discuss what is the real meaning of wealth. Wealth, a word is very popular among us, and basically we mean the wealth to the physical assets or money which we see, which we earn, and for which we do work from morning to evening. Basically all the people, most among us, are running behind the money. They do a lots of the different kinds of the work to earn money, to earn more and more money. But he has not determined their mind how much money they want to have in their life. But they want to have more and more. In process of getting more and more, most among us oftenly change their track. They follow the shortcut route, they tell lie, even they harm other to earn more and more money. And that is why they welcome a lots of the diseases, a lots of unfavorable things in their life, because they are not knowing the real meaning of wealth. It is true that physical asset or money is necessary to survive our life on this earth, but it is also true a lots of the money, a lots of asset cannot give me peace, cannot give me knowledge, and definitely I am sure a person who is financially very rich may not be in peace. Most among them, most of these types of the people who are really financially very strong spend sleepless night, spend completely their time in tension, stress, because they are not knowing the real meaning of wealth. What I think about the wealth, the real meaning of wealth, the real meaning of wealth is what we do on this earth. Our humanity, our internal features. Here internal features means if you do something for other without having any selfishness, without having any greed, definitely we are earning real wealth. If we think about the other, if we spend our time, skill and labor for upliftment of poor and needy, for upliftment of our society, if we donate something to the people who is physically challenged, who are not having the eye, who are not having the hand, or other parts of the organs, other parts of the body are not working properly, if I do something for that types of the people, definitely we are earning the real wealth. Why I say it is the real wealth? Because these types of work, these types of deeds always give us peace, always give us silence. They enable us to spend sound sleep, they enable us to spend happy hours, they also enable us to enjoy the real pleasure of life. Wealth is defined with which we can spend real pleasure of life, with which we can remain ourselves in peace, we can get happiness. That types of thing is real wealth. The physical wealth, like a heavy bank balance, luxurious too many of vehicles, a lots of grand building, other physical assets. These never give us the peace. These types of things never enable us to spend the sound sleep. So, in real sense, these are not wealth. These are the things really proves as a resistance in the way of getting peace, in way of getting happiness, in way of getting the real pleasure of life. We are fully authorized, we are fully entitled, we are having right to think as well as to do the both kinds of the wealth. What I try my best to define here, it is totally in our hand. One thing I want to say through this video, the human being by nature having the imitation of other. Here imitation of other means imitation of people who are financially strong. We all are having nature to follow the lifestyle of rich person, financially rich person. We want to have more assets than our neighbors, than our relatives, than our dear and near. In order to get more and more these kinds of the wealth, definitely we oftenly do the mistake, and that mistake always create hindrance, always create trouble for us. So through this video I want to explain the real meaning of wealth, in which way we earn the real wealth, like good response from the people, capable, make us capable in the way to helping the others, because our society is full of poor and needy people. Really they live on our help, they expect help from all of us. If we are really capable, if we are in a state to help them something, definitely we must not stop ourselves to help them. What we have and what we can do for them, definitely they are entitled, they are having right to get these things from us. So must not avoid it. We should try our best to earn these kinds of the wealth, because this wealth is permanent. If we leave this world, if we our ability is not on this earth, definitely our good deeds, our help and our all activity will be remembered by others or coming generation. This is the way, good way to be immortal. This is the good way to earn more and more wealth, real wealth. So I expect, if you are watching this video, try your best to develop all these quality through which we can earn the real wealth, what I have discussed in this video. And definitely I think if you begin to do this, if you go in order to collecting these kinds of the wealth, definitely within the 10 or 15 days you will feel yourself you are in peace, you are going gradually tension free, stress free life, and you are in a state to spend the sound sleeping. It is also the expectation of God. God given us life for hoping the same thing, because all creation is made by God. All this creation, all these things, what we see, what we feel, and what cannot be seen with our naked eye is created by God. We should be very sympathiful, thankful to all those things, and we should be thankful for God, because God has made to help the other. We are not physically challenged people, so we are capable to help all those physically challenged people who are really expect something from us. So if you like this video, subscribe it by pressing the bell button, as well as try your best right from today to help the other. What we have, I doesn't mean कि you sacrifice everything and you come in trouble, come in difficulty, It is not my saying. My saying is what is excess, what asset is asset is excess you are having now. Try to donate something, try to help the poor and needy from something. And if you are having knowledge, if you are having a skill, try to help the other by donating the skill, by donating your good thoughts and showing the good act and showing the good path, right path, so that they could also spend the real life, and they also come in the way of getting these kinds of the wealth. Thank you.